with a 6.0 motor, straight pipe. He says it's too loud, we're gonna make it a little quieter. Get it gas good? It's about 115 decibels. Whoa! 128 decibels. That is insanely loud, and it's cammed. Cammed 6.0 van with straight pipes. We're gonna put some Flowmaster flow effects in a second. He says it's just too loud, too much drone. And it's his work van. So, there's that. 2007 Chevy Astro van, cammed, 6.0 V8. It's his work van, and he's got fender flares. He's got big tires, and it's his work van. So there you go. What we got done on it, it has stock cats right there and right there. And then it's true dualed. And it was straight piped. It was way too loud for him. We showed it to you before. Hit about 128 decibels. So to quiet it down, we put on two Flowmaster Flow effects. We'll have the part number for both of those in the link in the description. And then tailpipes continue back into massive quad 4-inch tips. Right there and right there. We're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. And check out Hernandez Painting in Harrisonville, or in Nashville, Tennessee. Let you guys hear it in a second. And please, always, subscribe. Give us some gas. About 120. Better? It's calmer, you know? It's about like 7 decibels quieter than what it was. And it's still not quiet, so it still sounds really good. I like it. He's back, y'all. He's back. We're going to straight pipe it. He said next week. He promised me next week we're going to straight pipe it.
It's gonna sound good, too.
It is going to sound good. Yeah. Listen to that. Love you, bro. Cammed 6.0. I love the stance on it. That's a mean machine right there. Awesome.